Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist David Jones with another YouTube Heads Up. Today's video is a look ahead to next week's weather. Many weather forecast models are suggesting a pattern that, according to the BC River Forecast Center, may have a significant impact on river levels across the province. The culprit is a low-pressure system that moves out of the Gulf of Alaska and down the BC coast to lie west of Vancouver Island Tuesday. The low will linger over southwestern BC through Friday, spawning a series of soaking weather systems that will sweep in from the south and east. The dry, rain-shadowed areas on the eastern slopes of the interior mountain ranges will see rainfalls more resemblant of the wetter western slopes. The low is really just the center of a very cold pool of air that will bring plummeting freezing levels, probably in the vicinity of 1,000 meters. Cold air at this time of year means the atmosphere will be extremely dynamic, with potential for widespread prolonged rainfalls, but also for thunderstorms, lightning, and strong winds. Once the low settles in, some significant rainfalls are expected. Here's the rainfall forecast through Tuesday afternoon. Areas shaded in yellow represent a 24-hour rainfall total of 15 to 25 millimeters. Here's the same for Wednesday. Areas shaded orange represent 20 to 30 plus millimeters. And on this forecast for Friday, areas in pink represent over 50 millimeters of rain. At this point, we can say with confidence that a deep and persistent cold low will plague much of BC next week. However, at this early stage, the rainfall maps should not be taken literally in terms of the timing or the location of heavy rain. It's just too early to be specific. However, we do know that significant rainfalls, at least in the range of 20 to 30 millimeters, are likely next week, and there may be several episodes. Rainfall warnings will probably be issued, but not more than 24 hours in advance. David Campbell from the BC River Forecast Center has this to say. We are in the stage of the snowmelt season where rivers throughout the province are vulnerable to heavy rainfall or snowmelt. The potential for heavy rain next week is of a concern for flooding, and the emergence of flood conditions is possible or even likely given the current weather outlook. Specific areas of concern are the South Interior, the Kootenays, the Central Interior, the Chilcotin, the Rocky Mountains, and the Peace Country. That's it for today's Heads Up. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. We will provide an update on Tuesday.